Yes. All right, Mom, are you ready for your class?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
Really?
I'm tired. I'm good. Julie, you good?
Smile.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll see you in there. Mom's halter class. Following her in.
We're up to class 12. I need 105.
I may have to go get on the other side. I need on the other side. Good girl. That looks good. Just that one front. Good girl. Okay. Throw some dirt in front of her so she puts your ears forward. There you go. There you go, Mom. Up higher. Up higher. There, right there. Higher. No, head higher. There you go. Oh, perfect. That looks so pretty. That looks so pretty, Mom. You guys look great. She's gonna ride today, Zane, and she hasn't ridden in 27 years.
Oh,
and she's gonna ride that mare. That's a full sister to Rocky.
oh, okay.
Okay, when he comes back up, okay, do it. Get her going. Show her. Head up higher. Up higher. There. Up higher. There. Good. Perfect. Right there. Higher.
Class number 6, Albany Oregon mares is in the arena. Class number 12, you are on deck. You need to
she's
check
gonna
in at the gate and ready.
I love it when that mare shows good.
All other breeds, halter mares.
Yay! Good job. Give her a pat. Tell her good job. Aw, Mommy just kissed her horse. Okay, don't do it again till he profiles one more time. She did good. Oh, Good. She's good. She's good. Profile. Higher. There you go. Profile. Don't quit. Okay, you're good. Smile, Kimmy. You're gonna go on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Smile, Mommy. Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, now smile. You look good, Mom. What? You have a baby in there? The chestnut?
Huh?
The chestnut in the back? Or?
All right, placements for class number 6. That is Appaloosa Paint Pinto Mares. And first is 103. That's
Woo!